In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add watermark to a video on Canva. I'm using Canva. If you want to use another tool, this is good. But I highly recommend you for use Canva. It's absolutely free for use. So I open, then I upload a video from my this is element book. Then here are okay, this video are good, looking good. Then set as background. Okay, now click on this text and again click on add as heading. Now I paste my this is my targeted right hand name. I want to keep it watermark. So if you want to change coloring, so here are lots of color available. Just click on color. Then if you want to add yellow, white, black, so I prefer yellow or white. Then okay, this is good. Now my main work is transparency, so you can click on this icon transparency, then keep it maybe 20 or 25, maybe this is good. So I keep it 25. Then again copy. Okay, I keep it on here, here, then here, then this watermark around here. Wow, it's really looking nice. So if I download this design as a mp4 or jpg, so I want to play this preview for understanding. Wow, this watermark looking very nice. So this is a method how you can add watermark to a video on Canva. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. You know, to sign up with your Gmail. Then let's start your work right now.